A rich dad took his son on a trip. Once upon a time, a wealthy man decided to take his young man on a journey to the countryside. The purpose of the trip was to show his son how less fortunate people lived, for the boy could better experience the wealth and comfort they enjoyed. They stayed for 2 days on the farm, a very humble family. The family home was small and simple, but it was filled with warmth, love, and laughter. They lived a life and hard work, tending to the animal, growing their own food. Despite their modest means, they were a genius, sharing their meals and stories with their guests. The rich man was eager to hear his son thought about their trip. He asked, "How was our trip with his poor family, and what did you learn?" The son replied thoughtfully, "It was amazing, Dad. I learned a lot. I saw we have a servant to serve us, but they have served each other with kindness and cooperation. We have one dog, and they have four, each one part of daily life and enjoy. We have important lantern in our garden, but at night they have the stars tonight of their sky. We buy our food from the market, but they have a Greek there seems to go forever. Full of life and wonder, we have high walls to protect us, but they have friends and neighbors who took for them." Finally, the boy added with a thoughtful smile, "Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are." The rich man was speechless. His son was opened his eyes to a new perspective. He realized the true wealth isn't memorized by material possession, but the richness of man experience, relationship, but the beauty of nature and family. They visited thought financially poor was rich way they truly mattered. Moral of the story: wealth is not just about money and possession. True kindness and richness comes from the connection we share their love and kindness. We have the receive and the simple joy of life that money can't buy. Sometimes those who seem have less are the ones who truly have more. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.